Welcome to Onlive Server. So today in this short tutorial I'm going to tell you about the cheap dedicated server hosting plans that our company Onlive Server is providing right now to their clients situated worldwide. So if you are a person or if you who is in need of a cheap dedicated server, if you want to purchase a dedicated server, maybe you can use it for your as a gaming server, or you can use it as a hosting server, or anything as per your need, and you are in a search of a cheap dedicated server, then obviously Onlive Server is the best platform for you. So today in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can find and you can book the cheap South Korea dedicated server from our platform. So just go and type onliveserver.com. This is the main website of our company. This is the main dashboard. Just go and click on dedicated server and click on all dedicated servers. As soon as you click on this link, you will be redirected to a link to a page. Like, let me show you. If you are clicking on this link, then this will be redirected to a page where you will find a list of all the 35 plus global locations where our physical data center is situated and where we are providing the dedicated server services to our customers. Okay, see, this is the list of all the 35 plus countries. You can scroll down, and since I am going to tell you about South Korea, so you can just scroll it down and you find, say, this is South Korea dedicated server hosting. Okay, and click on view plan. As soon as you click on view plan, you will be transferred to a South Korea dedicated server hosting page. Our physical data center is obviously located in Seoul in South Korea, and you can scroll down. See, for South Korea location we have total 8 plans starting from DSX1 to DSX8. These all plans are customized in a wide range of varieties as per to suit your need. Okay, so you can just go through all these plans and you can select it accordingly as per your need and requirement. So our basic plan is DSX1, where the processor is Intel Xeon L5630. Okay, this is a very basic processor with 4 core 8 thread 2.4 GHz. RAM is 8 GB RAM and space is 1 TB, and here the disk is SATA. Okay, SATA. So if you need this server, you can just go and click on buy now. It is starting at a monthly cost of $89. Okay, so just go and click on just go and click on buy now. So as soon as you click on buy now, see, this is the South Korea server, obviously dedicated DSX1, and this is the technical details of this server. You can just go through this. This is the billing cycle. Either you can pay monthly, quarterly, or annually. If you are going with annual payment of your billing, obviously we offer a huge discount of 10 to 15% on the complete billing cycle. And configurable option, obviously you can go with operating system. Either you can go with Linux or you can go with Windows Server. This is the control panel. You can select the control panel starting from 100 accounts to 500 accounts, totally as per your need. If you need this server for your hosting purpose, then obviously you can select it as per your need. Additional IPv4 database and additional bandwidth, and all server is fully managed. So this is all totally configurable. Just go and click on continue. So as soon as you click on continue, this page will be okay. Let me remove this once. See, okay, so this is South Korea server DSX1, and this is starting at a total price of this. Just go and click on checkout. As soon as you click on checkout, this is all the personal details. See, if you are already registered with us, if you are already our client, then you can just click on this button and proceed with order confirmation. Or if you are a first time visitor, then just enter all your personal details. Please make sure to enter your correct email address in order to avoid the service suspension in future. Well, then you can just scroll it down. This is the total amount which you have to pay monthly. We have a wide range of payment methods. Just select any of these payment methods and just proceed with complete order. As soon as you click on complete order, your order will be completed, and our technical team will, after receiving your order confirmation, will start configuring your server, which usually takes 12 to 24 hours to get configured. Okay, so this was all about South Korea dedicated server DSX1. In case if you have raised any of the doubts, then obviously you can click on this let's chat button and you can have it chat with one of our representatives. Thank you.